Introducing Plux, a charger truly embraces the revolution of wireless charging, allowing you to power up your iPhone 8 or 10, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Using quick charge technology, the ultra-speedy charging offered by Plux makes your life easier. What's more, it allows you to charge your phone with its case on and easily switch between a charging pad and phone stand. You don't have to worry the battery life when binge watching or listening. Simply place your devices on a pad. It will instantly charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. No more dead battery anxiety. With a simple design, Plux fits everyone's style. Plux, the best wireless charger, allows you to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once.
The whole genesis of the Aveline Razor started 20 years ago when I first developed the headblade. The design caught the attention of Time magazine, which named it one of the 10 best designs of 2000. Quietly, women had been using headblades to shave their legs.
Can I shave my legs with this?
Over the past 15 years, a lot has changed. At Headblade, we're different. The difference is we design our handles. We manufacture them. We modify the blade cartridges to maximize shave performance. We are not a Me Too company. Our newest design is specifically for women, for legs, for bodies, for you. We want you to be part of the Aveline community and get yours first.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Nireeka. Nireeka is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Nireeka, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Nireeka as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Nireeka makes every journey an exciting experience. Nireeka is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Nireeka is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Nireeka Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Nireeka app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Nireeka to you. Thanks for watching.
Nireeka, the future is here. Let's ride along.